President Bola Tinubu has been engaging various stakeholders across the globe on key factors affecting the African continent at the ongoing 78th United Nations General Assembly in New York. One of such engagements is the U.S.-Nigeria Executive Business Roundtable. Addressing the United Nations delegation, President Tinubu told them the African continent will no longer sit back and allow its mineral resources being taken by illegal miners.
It takes a bold endeavor to reverse the course of a nation heading for disaster. I've just done. Remove the impediments. What is oil subsidy? Smugglers, corruption, manipulations, and so on and so forth. So I don't want to be part of it. Get rid of it.
There's a huge opportunity for investment in all the sectors. So if you're looking at infrastructure, soft infrastructure, hard infrastructure, there's an opportunity for you to do well there. If you're looking at investing in core businesses, any of the value chains from extraction to processing to manufacturing to even marketing, market access and all of that, we have all of them ready. We are creating a pipeline of investable assets and projects for you to come in. We are de-risking a lot of it.
President Tinubu noted that the United Nations must walk the talk in addressing global issues. Charity, ITV.